Bimal ji, thank you, Lalit, thank you, Jatin. Really, it is a pleasure and honor for me to be here. Not from the only from company point of view, Heidelberg Cement, but from the as a player point of view as well. See, cricket is a religious in India. It is kind of maybe not the sports, but the religion we consider people are very passionate, and that's why you see in the corporate sector there are many players who may not be the good, but their sportsmanship spirit is very good. That's why we are here. I am 53 years old, but still I try to play to the extent possible. And this tournament is not for the winning or the losing. Maybe, of course, the team who plays very well, I think they are going to win it. But this is beyond it. I can tell you my views from the company side, from the management side, and the player side. As a management, I can say that I have the also vested interest. If the players are fit, they have the competitiveness in the sportsmanship, they are fit in the organization as well. In the organization, maybe in your organization, you find that there are many instances where the management and the HR are talking about the mental fitness, mental health. Why? Because if you are healthy from the mental point of view, you give more productiveness in the company. So this is our interest. We see not as an expenditure, rather we see as an investment for our people in the organization. For last 7-8 years, when we did our corporate team here, I find that many young age team players who started in the company, they have very good rapport with all of us. They can come down to us, they can discuss because they know each other. They know me personally, they know the management personally, and the team player can think that yes, if I give the feedback to the member of the management, it will be good. So I can thank to all these management of the 7 team here who are participating. Thank you very much, and big round of applause for the management of all the teams. The main part is the player. From player point of view, I have again some kind
producing and coming to the place too. And there are total 8 teams: cement manufacturing and cement equipment manufacture. This is a rare platform where you can meet all from cement side. In the world, water is the first consumption of highest consumption. After that, concrete. So all concrete people coming together is one of the important. And cricket is, as told by CFO, our CFO, it's a religion in India, and everybody wants to play it or anything. With this, recognition will come. As he told, actually, once you are recognized here, you will be recognized in the company also. And it is the relation between the senior people and junior people will come to accustom together, and you can understand what is the way of styling. Mainly it will make us to learn discipline and commitment, which is one of the very, very important in the life to grow. It's only not like that in the place, but same if you maintain the same thing in the organization or in the family also, we'll be able to maintain this one and will become one of the example for our children also. So this is commitment, and strengthening is very important. As again he also told, commitment, and this is very, very important. And integrity is also indirectly, integrity is also very important. Winning is not important, only participating and learn something from it to useful to everybody. Again I thank everybody, all organizers, and with 7 teams which are coming. I am very happy to be part of it, and 7 teams which are from cement side, engineering or manufacturing, that is also one of the two. Will be able to interact with each other. We can exchange our ideas. Recently, just now also I exchanged some views, so I am having some views, but it will be useful to develop and to implement also. It will be beneficial to all of us, not to me or not to them, so we can work coordinate. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity.
जी ने सब कुछ बोल ही दिया है, तो मैं भी इतना ही कहूँगा कि स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे हैप्पी। अभी हैप्पी दिवाली भी है सबको, क्योंकि विदिन ए वीक यू विल हैव दिवाली फेस्टिवल, एंड दैट्स ऑल। एक चीज मैं मेंशन करना चाहूँगा, यहाँ बिनोय का है। बिनोय, I must congratulate him because he has saved at least 60 runs today. आज हम 200 बनाने के मूड में आए थे और टीम भी वैसी ही है। एक दो लोगों को रिक्रूट भी करना पड़ा। तो आपकी जो 3 कैचेस है ना, वो हमारे लिए बहुत भारी हो।
So Vinay, don't worry. As a player now, he is saying.